everyone else.
Because it's like a joking, dude. That's why you're here.
That's not even real.
Then why did you tell me to me now? Maybe if I use you, people will listen to me. Hey, I'm the last part of you, partner boy. You fight, I talk, that's the deal. People like me when you talk. Yeah, well, you're right. But for you, I'm not. What if I feel today, Butts? 2, 3, I'm serious. So fine. Relax, Danny. Then you know the joke. A break? A break? You don't get breaks. You need me. You just feel so quiet. Oh, quiet. You can live without me. Say it. I can't live without you. Exactly. Well, stop waiting. What? Am I going crazy? Crazy? No. You're just listening to me. Maybe I'm losing control. Kid, you don't have control. That's my job. Where are you going, Corby? Leaving me behind? I just want to say, you think to me. You will me. So you too. But you're just a puppet. Oh, you. But the way this one goes so slowly for yours.
What? Maybe I should buy something nice for someone?
Huh? You want something? You got nothing? That's it. That's
Maybe it will make me feel normal.
That's
Stop talking fast. Just come. But I don't want to meet you anymore.
So what? You and me, we are the same. One voice, one man.
But I'm scared.
Good.